Lightning Buffalo Link, excuse me. 5 cents, $5 a bet. Let's see what we could get. Got the free games. Hopefully get the free games and the free games. So far nothing. Come on, another coin. That's dirty. There you go. Keep those coming and give me some line hits. What do we got? Queens. Come on. Wow, that's dirty. What do I get? Cougars? Nines? Not very much. Coin. Come on. Bonus in the book. Oh, that's it. 2 spins left. Ain't looking too good. Come on. That's it. Wow, 28 bucks. Alright. 2, 4, 5. I can't stop it. Come on. One more. Oh. Alright, hold on. Alright, see if we can get anything here. Come on, give me a free game. Alright, let's lower this bad boy down then. He ain't doing nothing. Let's go with $2 spin. Wow, one more. One more coin. Come on, it went by, damn it. Alright, that's it for me. Share, like, and subscribe. Peace out.